In every corner of Nigeria, stories are told. Stories that carry wisdom and laughter, but as the world grows larger, some of these stories start fading away.
Komuko TV is more than just animation. We are a cultural movement bringing African languages, Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba into life of our children, families, and the world in entirety.
Ensuring that every child understands our culture and appreciates our culture, and that's why we are here.
Every frame we draw, every word we speak, carries the heartbeat.
Komuko TV, anyị na-enyere ụmụntakịrị aka ịmụta na ịghọta asụsụ anyị.
A Komuko TV, muna nuna al'adu a cikin wasa da koyo.
Ní Komuko TV, à ń fi èdè wa sọ àwọn ìtàn wa.
Anyị chọrọ ka ụwa hụ na asụsụ anyị dị ndụ, jupụta na nka na amamihe.
Muna karfafa yara su yi alfahari da harshensu.
À ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ní ìwà, àṣà àti ọgbọ́n àgbà wa. A fẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà nílé, lóko àti lókè òkun kí wọ́n lè fọwọ́ gbáyà wípé èdè mi rẹwà.
Domin harshensu shine asalinsu.
Ma na-eweta udo.
We are Komuko, the home of African stories, told in our voices. We celebrate language, we celebrate culture, we celebrate us.